Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of the 2020 Harris 250 Solstice. Outside color sterling gray. This particular boat is powered by Mercury 250 Verado digital throttle shift, stainless steel ski tow bar, stainless steel ladder. Does have the extended swim deck on the back. This is the single lounger layout with a flip-flop seat, which allows lots of storage. This is the upgraded black acrylic table. Coming in, you do have a gate to block off. Here at the helm, you'll see the upgraded helm chair with a flip-up bolster. This does have your wireless charging pad for your cell phone. Again, digital throttle, push to touch buttons, quick turnkey start. This does have the larger SIMRAD screen here at the dash, JL audio head unit with Bluetooth. As we come forward, side entry gate here on the port side. Big storage area with a full boat cover underneath. Up in the bow, you'll see plenty of bow seating with flip down armrest. In-floor locker for your skis. This concludes the walkthrough of the 2020 Harris 250 Solstice. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.